All right, on this episode of Mendoza Monday, we are highlighting Ripsaws, Ripsaw HD, and we are actually highlighting how to rebuild them. So this is a nice little tool for you if you're new to Hydra-Flex. We're going to show you a video on how to repair your rebuild kits, and don't forget, we have these in stock, and we're going to show you now. All right, if you like what you see, give us a shout here at Summit Truck Equipment Canada. We have locations in Bradford, Ontario, Red Deer, Alberta, Canada. We're on Instagram and Facebook, YouTube. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you get your Ripsaws from us, as we're a supplier along with many other nozzle companies. So give us a shout. Have a great Monday. Okay. That what is Heather? What is the sound of music? We go. So what is it? Male deer, Ray, golden sun, me, a name I call myself. Far a long, long way to run. So a needle pulling thread. Far so me. Oh, Tia. All right. Enough of that.